Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you drive often, you already know how important a reliable dash cam is for your safety and peace of mind. In today's video, we're reviewing the top 5 best dash cams on Amazon for 2025. These cameras deliver high-quality video, smart features, and protection for every angle of your car. I'll cover the specs, my honest review, pros and cons, and which type of driver each dash cam is perfect for. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. REDTIGER F17 Elite 4K 3-channel dashcam. This dashcam is a premium all-rounder. With 3 cameras, you get full coverage: the road ahead, the back, and even the inside of your car. The Starvis 2 sensors make a big difference in low light. Even on dark streets, footage comes out sharp and clear, capturing license plates easily. The voice control lets you lock important footage without taking your hands off the wheel, and the Wi-Fi 6 makes file transfers faster than ever. Front camera, 4K Ultra HD, Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor. Rear and interior, 2.5K plus 1080p. Touchscreen control, full color night vision, 128GB SD card included. GPS plus Wi-Fi 6 for fast transfers. Voice control support. Pros: superb low-light performance with Starvis 2. 3-channel recording covers all angles. Touchscreen interface is intuitive. Includes a 128GB card ready to go out of the box. Drivers who want complete 360-degree security and high-end performance. Great for commuters, road trippers, or Uber or Lyft drivers. Number 2. 4K 360-degree dashcam. This is the dashcam for people who hate blind spots. With 4 cameras, you literally get a complete 360-degree view. It's especially useful for rideshare drivers or anyone who parks on busy city streets. Video quality is sharp, and with Wi-Fi and app integration, pulling footage is quick and easy. The parking mode is also strong. Motion sensors can trigger recording even when your car is off. 4-channel recording: front, rear, left, and right. Full 360-degree coverage. 4K resolution main cam. GPS plus 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. 128GB card included. Parking mode, night vision, plus 24-hour parking mode. Voice control. Pros: full 360-degree monitoring, no blind spots. Perfect for parking surveillance. Voice commands add convenience. 128GB card included. Drivers who need maximum security coverage, such as rideshare drivers, taxi services, or city drivers who park on the street. Number 3. 4K plus 4K dual dashcam. This dashcam focuses on pure video quality. Both the front and rear cameras record in true 4K, which means sharp, crystal clear details. If you're in an accident, you'll have video evidence from both directions in top quality. The wide-angle view captures multiple lanes, and with storage up to 512GB, you can keep hours of footage before overwriting. Dual cameras, 4K front plus 4K rear. Wide 170-degree field of view. GPS plus 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. G-sensor for impact detection. 128GB card included, supports up to 512GB. Parking surveillance. Pros: true 4K resolution on both cameras. Wide field of view captures more of the road. Supports huge 512GB cards. GPS tracking built in. Drivers who want the highest video clarity for front and rear coverage, ideal for commuters and long-distance drivers. Number 4. VIOFO A229 Plus Dual Dashcam. VIOFO is a trusted name in dashcams, and the A229 Plus is their latest reliable option. While it doesn't hit full 4K, the dual 2K resolution is still sharp and consistent. The Starvis 2 sensors give excellent night recording, and its build quality is top-notch. This is a mid-range dashcam that balances price, performance, and reliability. Dual Starvis 2 sensors. Records in 1440p front plus 1440p rear. GPS built in for accurate tracking. Voice control available. 5 GHz Wi-Fi for transfers. Parking mode with motion detection. Pros: excellent night vision, reliable GPS tracking, voice control included. Great value for money. Drivers looking for reliability and good value without spending premium prices. Perfect for everyday users. Number 5. REDTIGER F17 Standard 3-Channel Dashcam. This is the budget-friendly sibling of the F17 Elite. You still get 3 channels for full coverage, but at a lower price. The front camera records in 4K, while the rear and interior capture in 1080p. It's a smart choice for drivers who want a balance between cost and features. Front, 4K, rear and inside, 1080p. Wi-Fi and GPS built in. Includes 64GB card. Night vision with IR sensors. Parking mode and G-sensor. Pros: affordable 3-channel option. 4K front camera. Includes memory card. Good night vision. Budget-conscious drivers who still want all-around protection. So, there you have it, the top 5 best dash cams on Amazon in 2025. If you want the absolute best performance, go with the REDTIGER F17 Elite. For full 360-degree protection, the 4K 360 dashcam is unbeatable. If sharp video is your top priority, the dual 4K front and rear cam delivers. The VIOFO A229 Plus is a reliable mid-range choice, and for those on a tighter budget, the REDTIGER F17 gives you excellent coverage at a lower price. I've linked all of these down in the description. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment on which dashcam you'd pick for your car. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.